Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken today in the room. And if you followed us for any period of time, you'll recognize it very easily. We have a very big candle with one of the green signals, one of the indicators from Samurai Day Trading that you won't find anywhere else. It's a strong candle indicator saying you're good to go in the direction that it's pointing. So it's green, so we're going to be going along. Notice that this candle closed over a resistance area. So we're going to wait for the next candle to come back, test to make sure that the market actually wants to stay over that resistance area. Then we're going to drop our order on the body of the candle, and we're going to take it long. Now, this is a little bit low for today. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 70 to 90 ticks long. So this ATM that I'm going to use may be a little big. It's 21s, 41s, 81s. So we're 2 times 20, a 41 and 81 runner. As usual, we de-risk the trade after our first target's been hit, and then we're free riding to see if we can get our runners. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. We're going to buy. Push retrace. So the market's pushed over the resistance level. The retrace is happening now. Now we're looking for a rejection of the retrace. And if we get picked up here, it's highly likely we're going to get our first targets hit. And then we're de-risked, and we'll see what happens with the other targets. We'll leave it at 1 times the market speed until we get picked up. Beautiful. We got to put our stop where it belongs, which is down here, 2 candles behind, until our first target gets hit. Speed it up just a little till our first target gets taken out. Boom. All right, well, we got to wait. There we go. All right, notice when our first target gets hit, our stop comes from all the way down here, down to this level right here. So if the market does come back and take us out, it'll be a break-even trade. And then I have the decision, since it's still below where I got in, if it takes me out at break-even, I still have the option of re-entering the trade. So this is a really nice hedge if the market just decides to turn around and go short. All right, let's finish this up. Like I say, 80 ticks may be a bit of a stretch here. We'll go 4 times the market. It touched our target, didn't do anything. Now, how many times have you seen something hit your first target, come back, take everybody out that moved their stop to +1, and then it goes up and does all the rest of the targets? That happens so often. That's why we give it a little bit of space, a little bit of wiggle room. So, we'll take a break-even trade, and then we can re-enter if we want. But let's see how this all plays out. We'll zoom this maybe a little bit faster. And like I say, 80 tick target. Oh, here we got 93 PVI now. So we should be okay with this. Now we're getting to the end of this candle. We should pop this up. What you don't want to have happen is to come back and take you out at +1. All right. Now it does take it out anyway. So 20s, 40s, and 80s. That particular trade, boys and girls, was worth 810 US dollars. So if you want to learn, it took a little bit more. It took about 7 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 810 US dollars in less than 7 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. samuraidaytrading.com. And look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. Have a great day, and God bless you.